Today I'm going to demonstrate straight stitch, which is one of the simplest embroidery stitches because it really is just a short stitch that connects from one point to another. So all you do for a straight stitch typically is you come up through your fabric, go a short distance away, and go down. That's it. That's a straight stitch. So for such a humble stitch though, it's really useful even in complex patterns. So here, for instance, if you see all of these short zigzag stitches, those are straight stitch. It's also great to create a really short border, like you see here of all these short straight lines are straight stitch. And you can also use straight stitch to create something that looks more complicated. Like in this pattern, all of these white lines that are creating this kind of tracery or fragmented look, those are all just short straight stitches. So if you want to use straight stitch for something like that, I've drawn an example of it here. And you're just going again from point A to point B at each of those joints and just being thoughtful about where you start and finish. So I'm just doing one line. Obviously, we don't want to come back up the point that we just went down. That will undo our stitch. So I'm going to pick kind of an opposing point. In this case, this is forming kind of a triangle. And so I'm going to pick another side of that triangle to go down. When I'm doing a pattern like this where there's lots of connection, it is absolutely fine to come up and down through a hole that you have already made in the fabric. Right? And you just continue working in that way all the way through the whole area of the pattern. But straight stitches generally want to be quite short, like what you're seeing here in this example and in the patterns that I've held up. And that's it for straight stitch. Thanks for watching.